Welcome back to the NITAGANG family. So today we are definitely installing this wig here on my mother's head, and this is a small tutorial, but it's very detailed on how I installed it, how I plucked it, how I got it to look the way it looks. So just stay tuned, watch out, and take notes, y'all. Take notes. Thing you need to do is definitely grab your cap and put that cap on your head like so, and after you put that cap on, you're going to spray it down with the Got to Be Glue free spray, and you can use the other Got to Be Glue gel. So it's just up to your preference. I use both, so you guys will definitely see that. So right here you see where I am putting the gel down on her lining of her edges. So we're going to do that all over the head, also in the back. So my mom actually has a big head, so we're going to do exactly what we got to do to get this thing to stay down. This is her first time ever getting this wig, so I definitely know what to expect out of her. So you guys will definitely see exactly what I mean by that. So stay tuned, guys. Here I am using the Got to Be Glue free spray. I'm just spraying around the edges, just making sure everything sticks and it's stay down so it doesn't move when I do start cutting it. So follow along. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, followed by that like, and also comment down below on what type of videos you guys want to see on my channel. I will also be doing some updates on my channel as well, so you guys just, hit that subscribe button, show a girl some love, come on now. Alright, so as you guys see, I am blow drying the Got to Be Glue. Making sure I'm drying all the areas that need to be dry before I start cutting. So yeah, keep following. What I can say is my mom does not like getting her hair done, period. You want to make sure everything is dry. If it's not dry, it's not going to look well, and it's going to start coming up when you cut it. So make sure the entire head is dry. Make sure the edges is dry. Make sure everything is good and intact. So yeah, keep watching, y'all. Right here, as you see, I am keeping this scarf on to hold everything down and keep it intact. So yeah, keep on following. Again, I picked up the blow dryer and started drying it so it can dry a little bit faster. Speed up the process a little bit. But yeah, this lady, I'm telling you, she stay moving. Look at her. Okay, right here I am taking off this scarf because it is dry and it's going to be a little stiff to get it up, but just take your time by pulling it off, and voila, there we go. Right here I have my handy dandy scissors, and I'm going to cut this excess cap that I don't need and apply the makeup and the wig. So yeah, follow through. Right here is very detailed. When you're cutting by the ear, make sure you cut a little hole by the ear. And as you see, I seen some pieces that was still coming up because it wasn't as dry. So I applied some more Got to Be Glue Free spray on it, and that did the job. So just watch closely. Right here, I'm just reapplying, making sure everything is dried down, cut, and into its desire. So make sure you guys make sure that cap is laid down, because if it's not laid down, it's going to look very, very, very detailed. You want it to look natural when it's coming out that scalp. So our next little step is going to be applying the foundation. So stay with me. Applying the foundation on the cap, and it has to match their skin tone. So if it doesn't match your skin tone, please make sure it does. It's not going to look natural if it doesn't. So I'm applying that all over and on the top of her head, as you see. And once you're done with that, it's time to apply the wig. Once I put the wig on, I will show you guys exactly what is next. So stay tuned. pre-plucking once I figure out where I want it to lay. So yeah, stay with me, guys. Now it is time to pluck this wig. So I have put the got to be glue. Well, I just started plucking. I didn't put the got to be glue down yet, only because I want to go ahead and start plucking on the hair line just to get it to my desire. And let's go. Alright, so you see that I'm applying the mousse. I am only applying the mousse so I can definitely get a grip of the hair to pre-pluck it. So I am going to go ahead and start plucking on this hair just to match it up to my desire, and I will be showing her half and half so she can see exactly what I'm doing, because right now she's just like, what are you doing? What are you doing to my head? So yeah, follow through, you guys. Crazy thing is, I did not have to tint the lace front toe because it matches her skin tone so good, so I left it as is. So here I'm just applying some mousse and trying to lay it down so I can get the other side plucked, and then we're going to start cutting on the lace, so follow along. And also, let me just say this, everybody has their own way of plucking the hair. So this is my way that I pluck it. It does not have to be exactly like mine. I learned on my own, so you guys can do it a whole nother way if you would like, but this is the way I'm showing you I do my plucking. So as you see, I have the got to be glue free spray, and the reason why I'm spraying it down so I can melt that lace, I am spraying it on the actual part that I'm parting it. So as you see, if you look real close, I am just spraying it so it can stay down, and then I will be melting it with the flat iron and getting it to its desire.
My main artery.
Once you cut the lace off, you will see full details on how it looks once I cut it, as you see right here. So yeah, this is how it should look, ladies. And if not, then